Okay, we have a Funai TV. I'm going to plug it in. And we see that we have no power light. Thank you, Lou Costello. And my name is Bud Abbott. Here we have an identical Funai TV, and you can see the normal condition would be a standby light.
Go ahead.
Since we were fortunate enough to have an identical system, we replaced the boards one by one from the identical system and determined that this power supply was good and this main controller board was bad. So we have here the replacement board, here the replacement board from shopjimmy.com, and we'll see if it's exact match. Packaged very well. And that looks identical, so now we will go about the replacement.
Same color.
And I'm back. This is Ollie watching as Stanley removes the old mainboard. And this is Jerry again watching as my friend Dean replaces the old module with the new module. Okay, the new mainboard is installed and we have ribbon connectors replaced here, 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 and here. And ready to plug it in and power it up and look for a standby light.
Standby.
And there's the standby light. We'll now try pushing the power button. And we get the good blinking effect. Voila. One repaired Vizio TV. Say goodbye, Dino.
Goodbye.
That completes this repair on this Vizio. And I did want to point out that had we not had this duplicate TV to compare and remove power supply and mainboard, it would have been difficult to repair this one, which is now totally repaired. And the defective part from shopjimmy.com is that guy right there. Very difficult to troubleshoot without having a duplicate to replace. Thank you for your attention.